Good morning and welcome to a new vlog. Today I've just left my village shortly and I'm going to the neighboring village, driving through this serene road that links Homa Bay and Nyamira counties. I told you guys I live at the border of Nyamira and Homa Bay counties. I'm going to visit a new friend who I just discovered recently, and I will be touring her home. It is hidden somewhere in this serenity. I always love the breathtaking views of Nyamira County, and it's always evergreen here. The villa I'm visiting is just 10 minutes drive from my place. I didn't know we had such beautiful homes just around here. So join me, come with me, let me go show you how beautiful this villa is. I will be looking forward to your comments. I'd love to know what you think about the villa. And later on in the video, I will be introducing the beautiful owner of this gorgeous villa at the heart of a remote village. Please watch to the end. I know you're gonna love it. So I've just been received by the owner of the house, and wow, guys, the house is so beautiful. I won't be wasting much of your time. We will go straight into the tour, and later on I will bring Kerubo to talk to you. So as you walk in through the main entrance into the foyer, there's a toilet right there. You all know when you drive into your home so pressed and you just need a bathroom right at the door. So this is that kind of bathroom that will sort out those calls of nature. So from here is the staircase that leads upstairs, but we will deal with the ground floor first. We will be coming back to that later. So the hallway leads into this open plan kitchen that is open to the dining room. It is a modern medium-sized kitchen with all the kitchen appliances you could think of. I love the clean finish with all the white cabinets and the island at the center, which also doubles as storage area. It's just so convenient. It's so hard to tell you're in the village while in here unless you step out of this compound. And this is exactly what I dreamed of when I made that decision to move to the village. All I wanted was a city life in a different setting. A setting that was more peaceful and quiet, and a place I could spend more time with nature while I enjoy a beautiful life. And that's exactly what Kerubo has achieved here. She moved in a couple of months ago and is still in the process of organizing the house. And that's the reason you will see a lot of empty spaces. But you can imagine how beautiful it's gonna look when it's all furnished. One of the nightmares of living in the village is the unavailability of water. But here we have plenty of running water, and I will show you later how she gets her water. This here is the living room, and I just love the fact that she invested in the windows. They are big and there are so many. This is where many of us go wrong when building. We build very small windows and then we end up with dark houses where we cannot enjoy natural lighting. The living room is so big, you can actually enjoy playing soccer here. I found the ball here, so the kids must have been enjoying some ball time here. One amazing thing is this is a young family and they were able to build their house when their kids are very young. So this means their kids are really going to enjoy their house before they move out. I really like how they run around the rooms, the stairs, they go upstairs, come downstairs. It's a beautiful thing for kids to enjoy their house because these days they grow up so fast. The winding stairs are so gorgeous. I just love how it spirals up and it makes the climb very effortless. I'm currently on the second story of the house and it has a lounge here, but this floor consists mainly of bedrooms. There are 4 bedrooms on this floor and 2 on the ground floor. The house boasts of 6 bedrooms, all en suite. All the 4 bedrooms on this floor come with huge balconies from which you can enjoy views from 3 different angles. And here I have a beautiful view of this little tea farm here. Tea is a major cash crop of Nyamira County, so don't be surprised. This balcony of the master bedroom could be someone's entire house. I once lived in a house this size. You all know I love white. The white tiles and walls just complement the green background full of nature. I definitely enjoy eating and working here as I watch the kids play in the yard. Let's go further upstairs and see what's on the third story, which is the top floor of this house. That window on the staircase stretches all the way from the ground floor to the top floor. It brings so much light into the house and the staircase. So the staircase leads you right through this door here, which leads into a huge terrace. This is so beautiful, guys. This is the space where I would hold parties or I would just come enjoy the perfect view of the area around. On this same floor is where the office is. So you can actually work peacefully here without the disturbance of the kids. And there is a toilet here, so you don't have to go down to relieve yourself. So water from the main tank is pumped into this tank on the top floor, and this is where all the water that is used in the house flows from. So let's explore the terrace and catch these beautiful views that you can see from here. Nyamira County is one of those counties that receive lots of rainfall throughout the year. I've always told you we enjoy rains because we are at the boundary of Kisii and Nyamira counties, which receive quite a good amount of rainfall throughout the year. So you expect to see a lot of greenery around and a lot of nature. And I don't think there's a view more peaceful than the view of nature. Did you catch all those beautiful sounds of the birds around? Watching and listening to birds is one of the favorite things I love to do in the countryside. How about the beautifully manicured tea estates? Everything around here is breathtaking. Being up here also gives you a view of the entire village. You can literally see what people are doing in their homes. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I love to watch people go about their business too. We have seen the interior, so let's go out and explore the outdoors. Let's see what they've got. One thing to note is that the villa is built on a very small piece of land, but I just love how they've utilized the space to include a little beautiful garden, a parking lot, and a beautiful house. The backyard also has a little garden space which they can use for probably a vegetable garden if they intend to do so. Of course, these beautiful plants wouldn't go unnoticed. These are some of the things that really make me happy. I love gardens, I love plants, I love nature, and I just love that I can see the presence of nature here. The bees, the beetles, I don't know if that's called a beetle, we call it kulundeng here, but nature in any form just lifts my spirits. If you've been watching me for a while now, you know I love the kitchen too. I love cooking. I love to be part of the cooking too. So I'm joining my host in making our lunch today as we play hide and seek with the kids. I will be making the juice. She's just setting it up for me because I haven't used this kind of a juicer before. And she will be cooking the food. I went for the lighter duty today. I always do almost all the cooking at home. So today, being the guest, I will relax a bit. I'm going to make some juice from the watermelon, which we will drink with our lunch. The kids are keeping us company as we prepare lunch, and I can see they love watermelon even before they tell me. You should see the way they're waiting for me to cut it up. Okay, they've got to taste the first bits. So let me clean up and then we make the juice and then we shall sit down and enjoy our lunch. I've done my bit and the food is still cooking. And as they say, if you want to be at the table, you must be ready to work in the kitchen. And I love just how the kids are also helping out with the little chores in the kitchen. This is a reminder to always let the children be part of the cooking. They seem to enjoy the food they've cooked more than what they've just been served. Our lunch is ready and we're having white rice and some stewed beef, which was really, really delicious. Hey guys, so I've given you a tour of the house, but I haven't shown you my host. It's now time to meet my host, Marie Kerubo. She's also a content creator and she will introduce herself.
Hi guys, my name is Mary Kerubo. Today it's been a pleasure. I've spent my time with Jael. Jael came to visit me and I'm so happy. I love Jael by the way. I've been following her for a long time and so today I'm so glad that I met her. I'm also a content creator and I do content on country lifestyle. So I always share my beautiful lifestyle in the countryside. So visit my channel and check out my videos. And also don't forget to subscribe. I'll be waiting to see you there. I love you so much.